Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Assistive Touch on iPhone Air. So first find the settings icon and open the settings app, then scroll down to accessibility menu and open it. Here you have to scroll down to the touch feature, which is located in physical and motor category, and then the feature at the very top of the touch menu is Assistive Touch, so go right here, and now you can enable it by switching this toggle to the right, and now you'll be able to access your Assistive Touch from anywhere on your phone just by tapping this icon. You can also customize the Assistive Touch settings in this menu, and if you want to turn this feature off, you have to switch this toggle to the left. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.